Welcome to another section of the ET Library tutorial series. This tutorial is going to focus on whether Bing AI, Chat GPT, which one is the best to adapt if you want to say something for your research. Actually, we are not saying that use these AI tools for your research or to draft everything. No, but let's say you want to get an insight about something, and instead of you using the Google search, you want this AI to give you an information. We want to ask which one to use, is it ChatGPT or Bing AI that is from Microsoft? Okay, so before we start with some demonstration, I would like to let you know that if you do use any of these AI tools to script your research or to do your write-up, it's going to show AI. So we have AI detect text over there, and there was a particular work that we use the AI detector to check, and we realized that that research work is having, let's say, 10%. So actually, we are not supposed to copy all this information from ChatGPT or Bing AI, like what it has been generated. You are supposed to pick insights and craft it in your own ways and put it into your document. That will reduce the AI detection level. That is a percentage. So actually, you are supposed to get 0%. Okay, so we don't encourage you to copy everything generated by the AI onto your documents. No, that's not what we are advising. All right, so let's start with something. So this is what we have for the Microsoft actually. So we have this. This is what we have. And so what you see over here, actually what you see over here is the big AI. And this is for the Chat GPT. This is for the Chat GPT. So we are going to demonstrate one or two things, but let me take you through this. This is Chat GPT actually, and this is for Microsoft, and you realize that the interface looks quite different. Now we are saying that the Microsoft own is built on GPT-4. Actually, that is OpenAI's most advanced and powerful language model. So Bing Chat is currently working on GPT-4. Now you can access the GPT-4 via Chat GPT Plus. So you realize that if you want to use a Chat GPT so that you get access to the GPT-4, you have to upgrade to the Plus. But with that of Microsoft, you already have it. So with Bing Chat, it gives you free access via the Microsoft Edge. That is the browser that you are using. So Bing Chat is built into Microsoft Edge, so it is more integrated, a tailored way of searching for answers that makes it a powerful research assistant. Yes, that's what they are saying. ChatGPT actually, though it's a more isolated experience, can be accessed on any browser and has more powerful integrations and also plugin. But ChatGPT is not, as I showed you earlier on, you are not going to enjoy the GPT-4 unless you upgrade it. Now we are going to do a demonstration, a comparison between this one and that of the Microsoft own. So let's start with something. I'm going to push something over here. Then we are going to do some comparison, how Microsoft AI to actually responded to our request and that of a Chat GPT. So I'm going to ask this question. So I'll see the response. So let's say something. So let me paste my response. So I'm saying that act as a researcher pursuing PhD in human resource management. Your request is to provide me with theories around employee motivation. Okay. All right. Now let me paste the same thing for ChatGPT. So I paste this and let's, okay. So pursuing a PhD, theories. Let me just, all right. So this one, so we are waiting for the request. So we quickly check what we have for the Microsoft. Okay. Okay, all right. So now this is what we have. So the response that we have from this particular AI tool, we are saying that there are several major theories that provide understanding of employee motivation. This include motives and needs, expectancy theory, equity theory, goal setting, cognitive evaluation theory, work design, reference theory. Okay. Now it gives you some information. Now you realize that when I go on and hover my mouse around the text, you realize that it serves as a link, and the link is going to direct you to where actually it picks the information from, so that you can go there to verify it. Actually, it picks the information from a publication that is published on the Science Direct, Elsevier. This particular one is also giving you a reference. So like all the information that we have over here is going to give you a citation. Yes, so that's what we have. Maslow, 1943, 1963, 1990, 1971, 1976, and 1953. At least you know the source. Now let's check from Chat GPT. Let's see what we have over here. Now, this is quite different from being AI. You realize that ChatGPT is just giving you some information, but without any source. There's no source. There's no source over here. So it means that you have to pick the theory one after the other and read around it so that you get a source. Let's say if you want to use it in your document, you realize that it has no source. It just gives you the information raw. So with this particular AI, it's more updated. Yes, this one is more updated because it gives you a lot of information. That's why I said earlier on that this one is built on GPT-4, unlike our normal Chat GPT that we have. Now, you realize that I'm going to query Microsoft AI, that is being AI. I'm going to add something, or let's say some flesh to it. This one is actually not giving us any source. So if you want more information about Maslow hierarchy of needs, it means that we have to, let's say, copy this information, paste it using the, let's say, Google Scholar. So we'll get some articles around it. But let's try something. Okay. So let me move on and ask Microsoft's AI to give me more information. So I'm going to say that based on your previous answer given on motivation theories, give me the reference. You see, so this is what we have. This is just a citation. I'm saying that give me the reference for each of the citation indicated in your response. So once you have the in-text citation, you can go ahead and ask the full bibliography, the full information for this particular in-text citation. So I just want to know the entire reference. Okay, so I'm not going to ask Chat GPT such a question because this particular tool just gave me only write up without any in-text citation. Okay, all right. So we are just doing a comparison. Oh, cool, cool. So we have some information over here. So we realize that we have one for the Maslow, that is the 1943 A Theory of Human Motivation Psychology Review. Okay, so we have 11 more information. So let's go ahead. You see, you can even see some images over here. Okay, which is going to help you see what images we have. Let's click on this. Okay, so it's giving you sources that you can click and know more about. This is quite different from ChatGPT because all these are links. All these are links that is actually going to help you to know more about whatever you are researching. Now, let's refine this thing again. Okay, so okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if we can get all the 7 this thing. Intersect. Based on your previous answer given on motivation theories, give me the references for all the citation or the 7 in-text citation indicated in your previous 7 in-text citations indicated in your previous response. So let's try this one. If we are going to get some motivation theory references, let's see if you are going to references for motivation theory. So you're searching if it's going to give us if you are going to get something out of what we actually say. So let's say okay, well, it's giving you some information. So all this information can actually help you. So this literature review on theories motivation. Okay, this one is giving you attribution theory of motivation. This one is also giving you list of references of motivation, whatever 20 most popular theories of motivation. They are all links, you see, they are all links. Now, this one looks different from Chat GPT. That's why I said earlier on that this one is built on GPT-4. So you can click on see all images. Okay, I think I have a problem with my internet connectivity. So, okay, we check on that one. Let me check this one. Let me click. Okay, so let me try. Have a problem. Okay, so basically that is what we want to see. Okay, let me try this one if I'm good. So that is our first. This one, okay, so realize that. Okay, so let me click on this one. Okay, so we have this one. So understanding employee motivation. So that's what we have over here from Science Direct. So you realize that this one is actually giving you a link that you can further to get information about whatever you have been given over here. But ChatGPT actually is not going to give you anything. So, all right. So this is just a comparison for you, which one to adopt. ChatGPT will just give you an overview without any citation or any guide when it comes to the reference list. Okay. All right. So thank you once again for watching this particular tutorial from ATU Library. Continue watching tutorial on our channel, and always remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at ATU Library. Thank you.